I still need you. I'm sorry. Alright, morning. Well, it's midday now. Morning, guys. Today is a little bit different kind of video. I'm going to do a day in my life. Not exciting, but I choose to do this video when I had give or take some regular stuff. But I have a lot of regular stuff to do. So, basically, it's a day in my life. Show you how I'm actually gonna make the first meal. Yeah, should I though? Yeah, we say go. So yeah, my school. I have some orders I need to finish, and my school, and my workout, and then yeah. So if that interests you, I'll see how this video does. I'm not the vlog person, so if you miss out some part, cause more probably forget. But yeah, also I got the barber. I'm finally come back from country, have me here stranded. But yeah, so ensure you like, share, comment, subscribe to a friend, and yo. Alright, basically, if the place look a mess, oh no worry. Last night, but up like the whole of last night, basically, I do some orders. Some shirts. We need to do, I think, about 12 shirts. And yeah, oh yes, my phone here. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. Even look at the table I'm off right now, kind of weird. You see me? But you know that go. Yeah, go. There's a table. Half of the stuff them don't reach from the shipment. Some of them table just makeshift. Meds, JSC Stock Exchange book, Marv a catch the table kind of lean. But yeah, so this is the cricket machine and the heat press over there. So we're going to use it because I still have some designs to cut out. However, I'm gonna make some of them here. So some self-made shirt, yada yada yada, blah blah. But yeah, I think I have one thing to finish peeling off. I don't know how many I can probably see the flowers basically for one of the shirt them, and yeah. Alright family, so done as you pray. So I'm done cut out each of the stuff them and clip them and rotate. But yeah, so I'm gonna press them now. May I do a little setup so you can like see what may I do it. The machine and 320 it's supposed to go. It's take a little time I warm up, so when that finish, you know, more like me couldn't know what is what. But let's ask about it and just basically just show you how more press them. Okay, so I'm gonna play some music. Not one that when I get here, but the one that me now and listen. I'm just going to press them. So the whole process probably speed it up for maybe the first 3 or 5 shirts. 3 shirts or so, and then the rest, and then I'm gonna beat basically and see if we can go school. So yeah.
GK Capital. That's their broker. But you can order IPO through almost any broker. Cool. So the business of it, you want to understand a business. So when if you may have asked before, how do you determine what a company is good for you? When should you?
They say very horrible at posting, but club just done and a new shirt. You see me? If it are reflect, yo, me just take a picture. Anyways, club just done. But me have to go trim as well. But me not sure me I do that today either. Or I'm not sure. I have a lot of stuff to do. Cause I'm gonna finish pack up what I did. Print the shirt them. I'm reach on my shirt. I just have a rush out. Uh, a house because I'm late. So there is that. But you see before me put the clip about me doing the I'm gonna say that. Anyways, remember I'm losing my train of thought. Stuff.
Text me though, so that I remember. Alright, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, we are at the toll, my G. Yo, brother. I don't know. I can't ask me. Basically, all the places where they registered for, as in Deer 12. See, they're making another one here with it right now. But first of them, and it's a bit over. Wait, on the same thing.
Yeah.
Alright, family, so full day at night. This still is a mess because I never done yet. But yeah. So we just get my VM equity account number. So I'm gonna try apply for the IPO even though it open today, which is the 24th. I'm gonna try see if we can apply same way because you know why not? It's been a very hectic day. If you did this far in the video, that means yo, and not just the video alone now what you actually really love me. I must because it's horrible. There are big skip gap in a day. Like when I go class, like no part about here, so but yeah, so I'm off to do, but honestly I'm tired. This is not the vibe I'm used to. However, I go pack up the clothes that I made. I'll probably just take a picture and show them after. But struggle is real. But yeah, so after I'm applying, I'm gonna just pack up them stuff there and then I'm gonna study. And that's basically my day in a nutshell. Sometimes more hectic than this, but there's other time when it's literally less. Sometimes I just go to school and come back home. So yeah, as always, hope you enjoyed relative sneak from life. You know, it's really interesting because I'm really just kind of find ways to make money and them things here, and yeah, I'm good school. So yeah, society, God. I was like, could you use this and see me certain like first in the video before me get the AC. I was horrible. Anyways, as I said, put it in chat now. I'm gonna soon next time. I don't know when I'm soon. Yeah, I'm gonna see my number video like this for a period. But if you like them kind of stuff here, let me know in the comments. like comment and say you like them or not. If not, you're not gonna see it again. You see me? Like, you know. But of course, though guys, ensure you like, share, comment, subscribe to a friend. Yo, my birthday is January 8th. March 2,000 subscribers. By then I have how much? 18. Check. 1,830 million, if you can see. So when I make $20 in a month, yeah, I mean that rich and not that. But yeah, so hey, catch you next video. Peace.